Belai hambai, ini semua orang YTF, salah terpani sini orang butuh lajar, kami ini bah, sengkai mana sini orang plantation tini baik kenang nan thangai tunggu, offline plantation sengkai sini, salah terpani sengkai lajar senani bersungguh, hanca tonggung bising tu, sini jauh baru orang coba cokai bising tu, YTF sudah political organisation sini ya, YTF kasih social organisation, social bising tu, lu kono help kini coba nani, sini jauh di perasaan mana ya, tabu satu ni jarawa di kiri jaga tirok semua nanti berarti sempina plan aja. Thank you to all the media friends. Today we on behalf of YTF have come here and gathered here with across from the state of the youths. Today we have come here for the discussion on the plenary session. That is today and tomorrow. In the plenary we have been discussing for the how extending our party in the upcoming days, and in this plenary we doesn't come here as a YTF. We come here for sharing our loves, for sharing our memories of YTF, because what our Maharaj told us, we are as a family here today. We'll be sitting together, we'll be holding our night together here in Agartala itself, and we'll be here as a brotherhood organizations. And today, we just came here on behalf of YTF to just spread out across the state that is love, Hansa, nothing else. And in the upcoming days, we would like to say how to help our people, since now as the summer season has come out across the state, and how to give in like in the places of water crisis, how to help our people, and many crises happening throughout the state. We are helping, and on that reason we came here and we organized the plenary sessions of 2 days today as well.